I created 3 cron jobs to help me choose what to trade today. Okay, so first of all, ano ang cron job? Okay, what is a cron job? So cron jobs are scheduled tasks that you create on the OpenClaw dashboard. So these tasks, okay, can be anything. Can be a reminder, or it could be it could be a web search, okay, and then you can schedule it to be sent out to you or to Telegram or WhatsApp in any time of the day, or let's say even in any time of the week. Kunyari, you want it to be sent to you 5 days a week, or even 7 times a week. Okay? So yun ang cron job. So I created 3 cron jobs for to help me choose the stocks that I'm trading during the day. Okay? Yung mga cron jobs na yon ay, let's say, parang inuutusan ko yung OpenAI to do let's say a search, okay, a search for me, let's say, and to analyze kung ano yung stocks na magandang i-trade today. Ngayon, I created 3 cron jobs, okay, and I'll name them first. Okay, so one is a pre-market bias cron job, and then the second is a swing scanner, and the third is end of day review. Okay, so let's start with pre-market bias. Okay, so yung pre-market bias ko, okay, so siya yung mag-a-analyze ng market. So i-analyze lang niyo muna sa akin. Kunyari, bibigyan niyo muna ako ng isang buong summary of the whole stock market. Okay, not just one, not just 2 stocks, but the whole stock market. If it is bullish, or overall, is it bearish? Okay, so ngayon, i-mention ko lang sa inyo a little bit of the details. Okay, ito yung prompt na binigay ko sa agent of what to do, okay, at a specific time of the day. Ngayon, this cron job, my first cron job, the pre-market bias, comes to me at 3:30 p.m. okay, in the afternoon. Kasi dito sa Dubai, since I'm in Dubai time and I'm trading the US stock market, so there's a time difference. Dito, I think 5:30. Let me just confirm that. Okay, Dubai. Opening time in Dubai. Okay, so I said NYC stock market opening time in Dubai. So here, okay, in Dubai, the market opens at 5:30 p.m. So, actually, right after or right pagdating ko sa bahay, pagkadating ko dito sa bahay from work. Okay, so yung pre-market bias is gets to me at 3:30 p.m. So nasa work pa ako. So para i-remind lang niya ako, okay, ano na yung takbo ng market. Okay, so this is the prompts. Okay, analyze S&P 500 trend. So ito yung major mga stocks, no. Ito yung ETF. So they're composed of many stocks. So S&P 500 trend, the Nasdaq trend, the futures direction, market sentiment, major news affecting markets. Okay, so very general yung ipapadala sa akin ng OpenAI or yung agent ko. Later, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pinapadala niya or ano yung pinadala niya today. Okay, so we're moving on to the second. Okay, ito yung swing scanner ko. So ito naman, sasabihin ko na sa inyo ngayon na ito yung the agent, okay, will look for actual stocks. Okay, it's not general anymore. So we're drilling down to, let's say, top 1 to 5 stocks that are good for swing trading. So this cron job is sent to me at 4 p.m. Okay, so para at least ma-ready ko na din sarili ko and I know what to expect. Okay, so ito yung ipapadala niya sa akin. Okay, so ito yung priorities ng stocks na i-filter out niya. Okay, so prioritize stocks with strong or emerging uptrend, good liquidity, relative strength versus the market, price near recent highs or showing continuation of strength, orderly price behavior rather than chaotic. So it will look for something that is on an uptrend and is not going sideways or ayun nga, chaotic. Okay, so ayun yung yung swing scanner ko. So very detailed siya. So ayun yung mga hanap-hanapin niya, and then it will give me top 1 to 5 or top 1 to 10. It depends on its research. Okay, so the third and final scanner is my what do you call that? End of day review. Okay, so actually ito yung i-check ulit niya yung yung situation ng general stock market, so it will prepare me for tomorrow. Okay, so ito naman ang prompts ko sa kanya is analyze, okay, overall market performance for today. Okay, so para ma-ready ako tomorrow kung ano yung strongest sectors today, weakest sectors, strongest stocks and weakest stocks. Okay, the output would be a market summary, top 3 strong stocks today, top 3 weak stocks today, key insight, key risk, and focus for next session. So yun, okay? So ipiprepare niya yung or parang it's like pre-planning for tomorrow's opening. Okay? So ayun yung tatlong cron jobs na kinreate ko, okay, to help me choose what stocks to trade today or tomorrow and the next day. Okay, so ngayon so I will actually run it. Actually, okay, I'll run it. Okay, I'll run it and then I'll read through what it sends me. Okay, so mag-umpisa tayo sa pre-market bias. So I'm just gonna run it right now for you guys. Okay, and then it will be sent on my Telegram. Okay, so I ran it. It's gonna take a few seconds before it gives me something. Okay, so hinihintay lang natin siya. Let's wait for a while because it will search through multiple websites. Okay, not just one website. Okay, so here is the result. Okay, so market bias, okay, is neutral to slightly bearish, and its confidence is low. Excuse me, guys. And the key drivers for this neutral and slightly bearish is geopolitical risk. Okay, U.S. moves to blockade Iran's port, Strait of Hormuz. So commodities, rising oil tends to pressure cyclical and growth sectors, lift energy. Okay, macro rates, commentary that Fed can wait on cuts, earnings / stock specific news. Mixed pre-market movers, okay, banks, large caps, and then introduce dispersion. And then what to favor today, okay? So it says prefer selective short setups or defensive longs, energy, commodities, and quality defensives. So yung yun ang pre-market bias. Okay, ayan yung parang results. Okay, so next, I'll do the swing scanner. So, ito yung magpipili siya ng 5 to 10 stocks for me. Okay, so I'll run it again and let's wait. So, all of this, all of the results goes to my Telegram. Okay, I haven't set up my WhatsApp or Slack. So, yung Telegram is most useful to me right now. So, okay, so I just received it, guys. Okay. So we have, okay, rank 1 is Nvidia. Okay. Rank 2 is Apple. Rank 3 is Microsoft, then Amazon, and then AMD. Okay, so those are my 5 stocks, okay, that it shows. So ayun nga din, meron din sinasabi niya why it stands out: clear leadership, relative strength, high liquidity. Tapos preferred setup niya is breakout or shallow pullback to 50-day moving average, and then estimated watch zone, chart confirmation required. Look for breakout above recent consolidation high or pullback into 20 to 50-day moving average. So ganun yung format, okay? Ganun yung format ng iba pa, okay? So that's the swing scanner cron job, and then we have the last cron job, which is the end of day review. Okay, let's run it again so I can read out the results. So see, this type of agent and cron jobs is like saving so much of our time, okay? Instead of going through pages and pages and of websites, and also looking, for what to trade, building our watch list, siya na gagawa. Yung AI agent na natin gagawa. So, let's see. So, it says, I can run the end of day review but need permission to fetch live market data for today. So, it says if I wanted to proceed. So, I said, okay, let's proceed. Okay, so it's still gathering the data. So actually today, yes, I did enter one of the trades, okay? And let's see, it's a 2 to 3 day swing trade. So I'll get back to you guys after 2 days or 3 days. If it works. Okay, so it's taking time. It says it's typing. And guys, if you have any question regarding my prompts, just let me know. Okay, I can always share it with you guys. And also, like all these prompts, right? You can also, ask AI on, how to make a good prompt to help you out, right? AI is there. We need to take advantage of AI. Okay, so it says here, okay, it says condition to trade. Prices above the 20 and 50-day moving averages. Average daily volume. Okay, these are conditions. If conditions are met, immediately retry live technicals and return exact entry. Okay, so because right now the thing is the market is still ongoing, right? So usually end of day review will be done after the market is closed. Okay, so it didn't really give me anything, but yeah, but that's the purpose of end of day review. And yeah, so I think that's it. That's it for this video. That's all I wanted to share today. But yeah, hopefully when I do more things, yeah, I will keep on making these videos. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you.